when you acquire the non-refundable monies from a tenant buyer, how much do you disperse into your LLC, savings, incidentals, taxes? How much do you truly get to keep for yourself as profit?
All of it, until we have to pay taxes, which at least is not till the next year. You know you're going to get taxed on it probably the year you get it, because it is non-refundable is the reason. It is a deposit, but your CPA is probably going to want to call it income because it's non-refundable. And you are going to wind up paying taxes on that deposit, so be smart to make tax deposits as you receive them for whatever percentage of that amount you and your CPA think you ought to be depositing. Depends on what tax bracket you're in. Let's say you're in the 25% bracket. I'd probably deposit at least 15% of that amount right into the IRS, not deposit, send it directly to the IRS as a tax payment, or stick it in an account and send it once a quarter, whatever you think your accountant thinks you ought to be doing. If you want to learn more about that, follow me.